Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Rosetta Stone how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using Rosetta Stone effectively will help you learn a new language step by step. In order to do it, what you need to do is head over and then open up your Rosetta Stone app. Then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are here, what you need to do is select the language you want to learn. Then once you do that, choose your learning level from beginner, intermediate and advanced. Then the next is to start your lessons. You can select from core lessons and speaking and pronunciation, listening and reading as well. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is practice with extended features like live tutoring, practice speaking with a native speaker, and then listen to and read stories to reinforce learning. Then you can learn useful grammar and conversation phrases as well. Practice daily to improve your results. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down if you have any questions, and see you soon in the next one.